Today's notes will be level 4 of the segment addition postulate. Just to recap, AB plus BC equals AC. Okay, I'm just going to go straight into examples. Level 4 has overlapping lengths. Okay, so we are going to have to solve for x and then plug x back into 2x minus 13 to find the length of VU. We have to come up with an equation that allows us to solve for x. So what you have to do is find two parts that make a whole, and sometimes you're going to have to subtract a section. So I'm looking at this length here and this length here. I already know that the whole thing is 3x minus 7. But if I add 16 plus x, what would I have to subtract to make it equal 3x minus 7? 2x minus 13, because if I leave it just 16 plus x, 2x minus 13 would be in there twice because those segments overlap. So I need to subtract it once. So this will be my equation. 16 plus x minus, and now because this is an expression, I need to put it in parentheses, 2x minus 13 equals 3x minus 7. So you're going to have to distribute the negative 1. So this becomes 16 plus x minus 2x plus 13 equals 3x minus 7. And then combine like terms on the left. This will be negative 1x plus 29. Subtract 3x to get the variable to one side. Subtract 29. And then divide by 4, negative 4. So now I know that x equals 9, but I'm not finished. I have to find VU. VU is 2x minus 13. So I need to plug in 9 for x. which is 5. So VU equals 5 is my answer. Okay. So we need to get 2 parts to equal a whole. Can you tell me what I can add together to get the full length? Yeah, 2x minus 5 and 5 gives us the full length. So that will be one side of the equation. What gives us the other side? What other 2 can we add together to get the full length? Yes, x and negative 11 plus 2x. So it's this length and this length and this length and this length. Both of those equal the full length of it. So now just solve for x. So what is the length of VT? Here is the expression I need to substitute it into. VT is negative 11 plus 2x. Good. VT equals 11. All right, what if I write it out? That means you have to draw this, and this is what it's going to look like on the test. Hold on, let me add this part in. Points A, B, C, D are collinear and positioned in that order. Okay, so if AC equals 5x minus 1, BD equals 6x plus 2, AB equals x plus 1, and CD equals 10, find BD. So the first thing you'll need to do is sketch. So you need a line that has 4 points. It doesn't matter how far apart spaced they are, just you need a line with 4 points. That's what you have to start with, A, B, C, and D. And now you just start labeling things. So here it says CD is 10, so I can put 10 here. And AB is x plus 1. AC and BD, I'm probably going to have to draw separate lines down here. AC is 5x minus 1. And BD is 6x plus 2. So again, here I need to find parts that make up a whole and add those together. 5x minus 1 plus what? Would be the entire line. Plus 10. And then you could do the other two, which is x plus 1 plus 6x plus 2. So just remember when we did number 1, when we had to subtract a piece, you had to use parentheses. When you're adding, you don't have to worry about parentheses. But if you ever have to subtract something out, don't forget the parentheses because that will mess you up. Okay, so now we have 5x plus 9 equals 7x plus 3. So if I know that x equals 3 and it's asking us to find BD, BD was the 6x plus 2. So 6 times 3 plus 2. So BD equals 20. Okay. I'll give you guys 2 minutes after I finish writing this to solve this one, and then I'll let you go to your practice. Whoa. Did you see that? It like sped up at the end there. That was weird. Okay, does anyone have an answer? Six. Does anyone want to see the work? Or do you guys feel like you have enough on your notes? You want to see it? Okay. All right. Let's see. BC is 5. AC is x plus 7. The whole thing, well, let's do BD first. BD is x plus 14. And AD, the whole thing, is x plus 15. So this, again, is one like the first one where we have to subtract one out because you have overlapping lines that include BC. If you added up x plus 7 and x plus 14, you would have BC in there twice. So you need to subtract it out one time. So the way you'd set up the equation is x plus 7 plus x plus 14 minus 5. Because you have 5 in there twice. Equals the full length, which is x plus 15. So then you just have 2x minus 16 equals x plus 15. If I make a mistake, please stop me. X equals 31. This can't be right, can it? Oh, it's plus 16. You're right. I knew something wasn't looking right. Plus. That's better. Okay, so x equals -1 then. And if it wants the length of AC, and AC was x plus 7, then we just do -1 plus 7, which is 6. All right, the practice is back here. You can come pick one up.